how to insert, update and delete rows in a database in Python. So I have this table already named department, in which we have the 4 departments. So now to insert a new row in this department table, I'll write a query here. So I'll write the query variable as q1 and I'll make it a multi-string query. So we use the triple quotes and then we write insert into and then the table name. So the table name is department. And now in the brackets, we can write the columns that we want to fill the values of. Now this part, the bracket with the column names is optional. And then we write the values and the number of columns, that many number of question marks we add over here. So you can just delete this and remove this column names. And now you can execute this query by writing cursor.execute q1 and then comma. Then we give the parameters. These are the values that will be in place of that question mark that we have given in the query. So these are the values for the row 9 and HR. Now we have to commit whatever changes we have done in the database by writing connection.commit. Now when you run it, you'll see now there are 5 departments, 5 to 9. You can see the difference. Now if I want to update any value in the database, I will use the update query. For that we write update and then the table name in which we want to update the data. And then we write set. Set is the keyword to make changes in the database table. And then we write department ID. So we'll set the department name. And that will be equal to, suppose I want to change marketing to marketing and sales. So I write marketing and sales. And then I have to write a where clause so that it finds that row specifically and makes the changes. So you write where department ID is equal to 5. Since I know the department ID. Or you could otherwise write department name is equal to marketing. But remember the quotes should be different. So you had double quotes instead of single quotes. So cursor.execute q1 and then we commit, and this is how our table looks after updating. So you can see that marketing has changed to marketing and sales. Now suppose I want to delete a record from the table. So we delete the row by writing the delete query. In that we write the delete keyword first. So we're going to first get rid of all this and now we write delete. And then we write from whichever table we want to delete the record from. And then we write the where clause to find the row specifically that you want to delete. So I deleted the ID 7. So you can see now that the row with the ID 7 is missing compared to the previous output. So this is how you have deleted the row from the table.